Hi friend, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to share an amazing trick that gonna save a lots of your time. And today's video's topic, as you already know, that how we can create an engaging and interactive, visual appealing blog post. So the creators, the content writer for the WordPress website especially, this video is going to blow up your mind. And how is that? Let me show you a blog post. Here, most of the creators struggle to justify their text in a blog post. And we're going to solve this one. Also, with just a matter of clicks, how you can make all of them uppercase letter or do the highlighting, everything we are going to learn with a very interesting plugin, and that name is EditorsKit. So let me show you. This is a fresh website which is hosted in localhost, and we're going to do the experiment right here with this website. You can also do that with your live website as well. So to do that, let's first go to how we can create a blog post. So let's select on the new, and we can right here we can see the post. We can also go by this way, or what we can do, we can select on the dashboard, and here under the post section we can see the add new post. We can check all of the posted right here. We're going to select this one, add new post. To save the time, I have already generated a content in ChatGPT, that is crafting an engaging experience, a guide to creating interactive blog posts. So let's select the title, copy. Please don't do this with your real blog post. Add your expertise and human touch to your blog post, which can add value to your reader. Let's copy the whole blog post, copy. Yes, done. And this is a normal editor we can see right here. And in a normal editor, you can't see the justification option. Then how we can solve the problem? As I mentioned earlier, with a plugin. So to add the plugin, let's get back to the dashboard of this one. So I'm going to select add new plugin. Here right now, we're going to search EditorsKit. It's already there as I have searched for it, EditorsKit, and this is the first one, the Gutenberg block editor toolkit, which we shortly name as EditorsKit. You can see the more details right here. And if you want to install it, you just need to select on the install option. So let's select install now. Let's activate the plugin. That's it. You can click on the setting option, and under the setting option you can say getting started with EditorsKit. So there are a few manuals, you can go through it or you can watch a video. However, I'm going to show you in practical. So let's get back to our blog post. Let's save it as a draft. Let's do the reload. After select on this menu option, you can see there are so many options are available now. So let's do the justification. Let's select this one. Let's select the menu option. You can see the justify. Let's select this one. That's it. So if you want to see the preview, let's select the preview in the tab. So you can see, isn't it amazing? There are so many things you can also do. Let's say I'm going to make this conclusion section in uppercase letter. Let's select this one. Let's go to the uppercase option. This is this much simple. I know you are excited to see more of the feature of it, and I would like to request you should explore more to create visual appealing blog post for your reader. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I believe this is gonna help you a lot when you are creating a engaging blog post. I will see you another brand new video. Take care.